Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix FaceTime waiting for activation. So as you can see guys, it's showing here waiting for activation. So how can you activate FaceTime? Just simply open settings and then you have to scroll it down from here. And then you have to tap on FaceTime and then you have to wait for a while from here. Now, as you can see, guys, you can be reached by FaceTime at your number. You can also put your number on FaceTime if you want that your Apple ID will be used on your FaceTime. Then you can take on this, and if you want that your number will be used, then you have to tap on this. And now as you can see guys, here are the live photos. If you turn the toggle on for this, you can capture live photos during the video calls. And here are the blocked contacts, so you have to tap on this, and from here you can add the contacts to block them on FaceTime. And now as you can see guys, here is incoming calls option. If you want that your incoming calls is on full screen, then you have to check on full screen. And now as you can see guys, these are the notifications. If you want that you will be able to see notification on screen, then you have to turn the toggle on for this. Now here is your Apple ID. So from here what you need to do is just simply go back. And now let me show you in FaceTime. As you can see guys, after setting these, you have to tap on your FaceTime, and from here you can easily put the contacts or numbers or Apple ID or email to contact with others. If you want that you can contact with others, then you have to put the number from here like this. Now I'm going to put this one. Now here you can see guys, it's showing here invite with message, so you have to tap on this. If you want that you call with him, so you can do this easily. So you can add 200 people for a FaceTime chat or video call or audio call. So that is the way guys, you can easily set up FaceTime on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.